Okay, now for the tail lights, we have to remove this wheelie bar. There are 4 screws there. We remove it. These are the tail lights. Okay, so this goes like this. Let me show you there. It will lock right in, like so. Then we have the other side, and then we have this goes like this, and there you have your light. Now, putting the LEDs inside is pretty straightforward. There's an opening right there. We connect this first. Always connect it first, and then you just bend these cables a little bit, insert that right there, and push it all the way in. For mounting the headlights, we will use this tiny thing. You will see that you have 2 holes right there. We have to remove these 2 holes, these 2 bolts, sorry, from the bumper, and we're gonna use the small lights. So what I recommend is always connect the lights first, like so, and then you insert the lights there. Now this is a quick tip. If you want to make more room right here and the cables, do you see there? Maybe we need more room. We remove this spacer. We don't need it. And we plug the cables again. I always recommend doing this before mounting the lights. Okay, once you have it all the way in, okay, that's it. Once you have it all the way in, I just had to remove it to work. Put it back in, you're good to go. Just put it right there, like so. And you have your red lights. How to mount the underglow lights. Let's say we're gonna use the blue ones. You find out that there is a gap right there, tiny gap that goes right here. Let me see if you can see it from there, like so, and it snaps right in. Okay, so the longer ones are for the underglow lights. As always, connect this first. You can slide it right through here. And that's pretty much how it goes. And you repeat the same thing on the other side. Here we have both mounted. Okay, so once you have everything connected, I'm gonna do the cable management off camera, and I'm gonna show you how to connect the lights. You will get this connection block. You have to mount it right here. Do you see that little thing here that has a hole in the center? That thing. Okay, we have to put this right in there. and it will lock. It will stay right in place. So first step, we have to unplug the fan from this port, and we have to connect these two in the first and second pin, like so. There we go. And this goes to any of these pins right there. I'm gonna use the first one there. And now we have to connect all the lights I'll also do this off camera. Okay, so I connected all the lights, and now I have to connect the fan port. The fan, this one, also there. Just make sure that the positive and negative are lined up with this. In this case, I have the positive marked right there. You see, it says first is negative, second is positive. So the white one is positive. The white one goes here. So all this line is positive. And as you can see here, the fan is connected backwards. So it should be like so. That way. Now we turn it on. We check that everything is okay. And there we go. We have the red lights in the bottom. We have the underglows. And look at the front one. This is a common issue that you will have. You just have to follow this cable and connect it backwards. So let's do this. Let's put the red one on the other side. Let's use one of these. It's the same. And now the front lights are white. Okay, so it's ready. We are actually under the sunlight, so that's why you see the lights so dim. I'm going to show it to you how it looks like in the dark.